Imagine this. You re-sitting at the kitchen table staring at your health insurance. Bill $350, $500, maybe even $900 a month, and you're thinking, why is staying healthy in America this expensive? You scroll through your bank app and your heart sinks a little as you realize that between rising premiums, copays, deductibles, prescriptions, and out-of-pocket costs, health insurance doesn't feel like protection, it feels like punishment. And guess what? You're not alone. Millions of Americans are in the exact same situation, silently asking the same terrifying question every single month. Is there any way to lower this cost without losing my coverage? The truth is, yes, there are powerful, smart, tactical, insider-level methods to legally reduce your health insurance bills, and yet most people don't use even 10% of them. Because nobody teaches this stuff. Not your employer, not your insurance agent, not your doctor, not even the government. But today, you're about to learn the strategies that the financially smart, and the quietly wealthy already use to save thousands of dollars a year on health insurance without sacrificing coverage, quality, or care. And once you understand these tips, you will never look at health insurance the same way again. Now let's start with something that sounds simple but is the most powerful tip of them all. Understanding your deductible. Most Americans, Dante, actually know whether a low deductible or high deductible is better for their lifestyle. They just pick whatever seems safe. But here is the hidden truth. If you're a generally healthy person who rarely visits the doctor, a high deductible health plan, HDHP, could save you hundreds every single month in lower premiums. On the other hand, if you have chronic health issues, expect pregnancy, or visit doctors often, a low deductible plan might save you thousands long term. But here, as the twist insurance companies love when people pick the wrong plan because choosing incorrectly means more money for them. That is why reviewing your plan each year is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Your life changes. Your health changes, your income changes, and your insurance needs change too. Now let's move to health savings accounts, or HSAs, one of the most powerful money-saving tools Americans don't use. With an HSA, your contributions are tax-free, your growth is tax-free, and your withdrawals for healthcare are tax-free. That's triple tax protection. Most people don't. Do you realize that HSAs are literally one of the best investment accounts in America's families? Save $10,000 to $20,000 for future medical expenses, tax-free. If you're eligible for an HSA, and you must have a high deductible plan, this is non-negotiable. It's a must. And here, it's a secret wealthy people use. They pay their current medical bills out of pocket and allow the HSA money to sit, grow, and compound tax-free for 10, 20, 30 years end. Then they use that money later in life, when medical expenses are higher. Imagine having a $50,000 or $100,000 health fund in retirement toll from using an HSA correctly. Now let us talk about something nobody thinks about but is one of the biggest insurance hacks. Shopping for health insurance at the right time. The biggest mistake people make is staying loyal to one company for years. Loyalty doesn't save you money. Competition does. Every year during open enrollment, new deals appear, subsidies change, networks expand, and premiums drop for specific plans. But people stay stuck because they think switching is scary. Let me tell you something. Switching health insurance is one of the easiest ways to save money instantly. A 5-minute comparison could save you $100 to $300 per month. That's thousands per year back in your pocket. Next tip, and this one shocks people. Check if you qualify for subsidies. Millions of Americans qualify for government subsidies through the ACA Marketplace, but don't claim them because they assume they earn too much. But subsidy rules have changed dramatically. Most households earning up to 400% of the federal poverty level are eligible, and even many above that range qualify, depending on your state and family size. I've seen single adults earning $40,000, $50,000, and even $60,000 a year cut their premiums in HLF because they actually qualified but never checked. One man I helped was paying $620 per month. After reviewing his income and subsidy rules, he was eligible for $370 in monthly credits. Overnight, his premium dropped to $250. This happens every single day in America. Next tip. Use in-network. doctors, and pharmacies. Insurance companies charge way more for out-of-network care. But what people don't realize is that your doctor's office might be connected to multiple hospital networks and, depending on which office you visit, the cost could change dramatically. Simply going to the in-network location could save you $200, $500, even $1,000 on a single visit. And for pharmacies, switching from Walgreens to Costco or CVS, or using mail order services can cut prices in half. Now let's move to something extremely powerful but deeply underestimated. Bill negotiation. Most Americans don't know this, but every medical bill in the United States is negotiable. Hospitals expect you to negotiate. They have special cash rates, self-pay rates, negotiated rates, and even charity care discounts. One phone call can turn a $1,200 bill into $400. I've literally seen people cut bills by 70% because they simply asked. And insurance companies, they love when people don't ask, because every extra dollar you don't question goes straight into their pockets. Another important way to save money. Virtual doctor visits are cheaper, faster, and often free under many plans. Why drive across town, wait in a lobby, and pay a higher copay when you can get the same quality care from home? Telehealth is one of the easiest ways to cut costs without losing care. Next tip, and this is a big one. Prescription savings. Did you know that the same medication can cost $15 at one pharmacy and $120 at another? Apps like GoodRx, SingleCare, and even pharmacy discount programs can save you 50% to 90% instantly. And here's something powerful. Some medications are cheaper without insurance. People don't know that insurance sometimes increases the price. That's why smart consumers always compare prices with and without insurance before buying medication. Another critical tip: avoid emergency rooms unless it's truly an emergency. Now let's talk about annual reviews. Every year, your insurer adjusts drug lists, networks, pricing, and copays. Just because your plan worked last year doesn't mean it's the best plan this year. Reviewing your plan each year is absolutely essential. Another tip: maintain a healthy lifestyle. It sounds basic, but insurance companies offer wellness rewards, gift cards, gym discounts, and cash incentives for things like completing health screenings, being tobacco-free, or tracking daily steps. Some people earn $300 to $600 a year just from participating in wellness programs. Now let's address the psychological part, the fear. People stay stuck because they feel overwhelmed. Insurance feels confusing. Paperwork feels stressful. The system feels impossible to navigate. And that's exactly why people overpay. Insurance companies win when you feel confused. But when you educate yourself, when you compare, when you ask questions, when you negotiate, when you review your options, you win. Every dollar you save is a dollar kept in your family's pocket, not the insurer's. Now comes the suspense. The real cost of health insurance. Just your premium ITs. The total cost of your plan. Premiums, deductibles, co-insurance, drug pricing, out-of-network charges, surprise bills, lifestyle habits, and the hospital network you choose. When you understand how these pieces connect, you unlock the ability to control your health insurance costs like a professional. And now, as we close this powerful guide, here is your call to action. If you want help understanding your own health insurance situation, if you want me to break down your options, if you want help finding savings, or if you simply have a question, drop a comment below. I reply to every question personally. And if this video opened your eyes or saved you money, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Because here at Life Insurance USA, I explain the financial secrets that protect families, save money, and give you real control over your financial life. Your health matters, and so does your wallet. Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.